Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make mustard fennel drink with lemon. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mug like this, add a teaspoon of fennel seeds. Fennel is high in nutrients such as fiber, vitamin C, calcium, iron, manganese, potassium and magnesium. It contains powerful plant compounds. It suppresses appetite and thus the calorie intake is reduced to a great extent. It is very good for your heart health. Then to this add a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Mustard seeds are very healthy and they are a good source of several vitamins including vitamin C and K, thiamine, riboflavin, vitamin B6 and folic acid. They have a high percentage of dietary fiber and a valuable source of several bioactive compounds such as antioxidants and polyunsaturated fatty acids. Then to this add 2 cloves. Cloves also increase metabolism, manage blood sugar levels and helps to reduce inflammation. Then to this add 1 cup of hot water. Cover and rest for 5 minutes. The flavors and benefits of the ingredients are getting extracted to the water. After 5 minutes, open and check. The ingredients are well soaked. Strain and add it to the same mug. We are not going to add any sweetening ingredients in this tea today. If you want, you can add half teaspoon of palm sugar candy, but this mustard fennel drink with lemon is going to taste good even without any sweetening ingredient. Finally, add a teaspoon of lemon juice and let this rest for 10 seconds. Give it a good mix. Lemon also helps in weight loss and boosts your immunity power. After 10 seconds, serve the mustard fennel drink with lemon nice and hot. You can drink this in empty stomach in the morning for best results. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink today boosts your immunity. So do try this mustard fennel drink with lemon recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.